In order to prepare students to solve really open-ended real-world challenges, it's important to give them opportunities to practice those skills outside the classroom. And what better place to practice than the environment in which they're living and working and playing, the Dartmouth campus. Design Core is a program of the Design Initiative at Dartmouth in which students use the methodology of human-centered design to help make Dartmouth a better place.
Human-centered design is really specialized problem solving. It's a different lens of how to solve a problem. We really focus on who are our core users and what are their specific needs. It's not really saying, I have an idea, who's going to use it? It's saying, who is my user and how am I going to center this whole product, this whole idea around them and what they need.
Students conduct research, come up with creative ideas, and then help the departments implement the programs or strategies or initiatives that improve student experiences and other aspects of their programs on campus.
Working with the Design Core students was an excellent experience. They were extremely professional and prepared, and we really benefited from the experience of working with them.
Design Core is not just a student voice, but it's a team of really committed students who have bought into doing this project, and they're using an academic framework. It was definitely really valuable to have them reinforce with actual data some of the suppositions and ideas that we had, and then they also had some creative ideas about things that we hadn't really thought of yet. It's just a win-win on so many levels.
By allowing students to have a direct influence on how big programs and big disciplines and departments at Dartmouth function, you can get a solution that's much more intuitive and to the point of what the stakeholders really need.
This isn't just about every sense a real-world design project. Students have a real client, they have a real user group, and they have to come up with a deliverable. They're not getting a grade, this is not for a course. The result is real impact, improving some actual experience or program or system on campus.
I've learned so much from this, and it's been really fantastic. We're very empowered in this position, and with that power comes a lot of responsibility to do a good job and to do our best work, as we know that after my time here, that impact that I've made will be long-lasting.